Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add transitions to your Instagram Reels, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be doing my best to explain this through my words at the very beginning because I'm having a bit of trouble actually recording my screen, or rather sharing my screen and then recording it on my PC. For some reason, when I'm editing Reels, it starts to glitch out and it just turns it off and it just freezes up. Don't know why, but pretty much what you need to do is you need to have some videos that you're going to add to a reel. I have a couple of them in my gallery, and then once you're creating a reel, you just need to select both of those videos from your gallery, add any audio if you might want to, and then once you're after in the step after that, you're going to click on edit the video to open up the video editing track, and then you'll see these sort of separators between the videos which you need to tap, and then it'll allow you to add transitions. So let me just try this quickly before my screen recording freezes up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swipe right, go into reel editing, go into my gallery, select two videos, click next, skip the audio adding, click on edit video, click these sort of white barriers. Then, as you can see, you can add a transition. I can apply to all or just click done. I'm going to apply to all. And now, as you can see, the transition has been added between these two videos, even though they're both black screens. But yeah, let's see if I can play it without it freezing up. And so far, so good. And as you can see, once it transitions from one video to another, it adds that sort of transition that you've selected. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.